Hey guys, hey guys, it's IDCAMC Gamer here. Today we're going to, I made a butterfly knife, and I don't know, but it works. Has a bit of friction because of the blade. I saw other people make Lego ones. I just looked it up like right now, and well, mine is able to be flipped. And I'm going to flip it. No, actually, it is breakable because my Legos are really old. I have no idea how long I had it. I had it for like years. These are like year-old pieces. That's what, I could literally bend this with. Yeah, don't want to break it, but it's like breakable. So. Just gonna this is a closed position, and open position. It has a bit of friction, so sorry if it takes me a few tries to open it. Closing is perfect from when it's opened, but you'll have to like, from the one I made, if you try to like open it without like this, like you don't have to like. There we go. Took me a few tries, and there. I can't go out because I was even though I'm trying to flip it to. I've done this a few times, but I didn't record. Oh my god. Yeah, it's mostly the pieces that keep it together. Now I don't got that much pieces, so I'll even show you how much pieces I got. Too dark. Moving my tablet. Oh, these are all. I made stuff, but whatever. Most of the pieces I used, it's not good enough. My butterfly knife made out of Lego. We're going to just flip it in the air. So, like again, I can't edit. So if you see me do some stuff, let me see. I'm just going to place this down. Like, no, I need a shirt. Going to go over here. Real quick, like most of my videos, if I'm doing something real quick, up and get my usual shirt that I mostly use whenever I'm doing this stuff. I think I use this shirt in one of my I don't care about my channel things. Sorry about it, it's black. I don't care about my channel things. I use this for one of my. This shirt for one of my things, and I think this is good enough. I'm going to kneel down just because how it's facing. Mostly whenever I try to shut it does that. Oh my god. Well, how this works is with all the I got like a little piece. When it shuts, it looks like this. But I didn't got a good enough piece to make it like go out. I don't got that much pieces because over years, some of them I saved some of them, and some of them broke and got lost. Oh my god! Don't fall. No, it's outside now. One of my pieces joined the outside world. I'm going to be dark again for a while. I'm going to have to open my door. Okay, the top piece for the shutted things. So touch the white. Really? Ugh. Sorry. Just need to fix this. It broke. Oh, what piece was that? What is this? No, wait, what? Oh, is that piece? Never mind. Okay then, so my butterfly knife. Pretty good. Don't know how you seen that when I was on the floor. I don't got any camera person or anything. On one of them, I'm just gonna, on my next video, I'm gonna videotape me showing some people made theirs differently, but this is how I made mine. It's thick. I don't got that much big pieces for it to be skinny. If I make it, wait, actually I could make it skinny. This is like just the double tip. I'm actually going to make one that's, this is the better version though, all I could say. I could make it actually skinnier one than this. So that's just my butterfly knife that I made. I've been messing around with it like a while for some flips and stuff. Sorry about the background noises. Oh my god. Okay, there it goes. So that's just my butterfly knife. Bye.